How to add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. So let's get started. First of all, head over and open your Snapchat application, and when you go to the search bar and you're gonna type for a person, for example I'm gonna type you can search for any person you want. So here you can see that I've searched for this, but now if I click on add, they'll be able to see that I have added them from search. So what you're going to do is click on this over here, and then you can forward this to any of your friends. So once you follow it to any of your friends, just click on this message, and then you'll be able to see that you have sent their profile. And now when you click on add from here, you can see when the specific person receives this request, or they won't be able to see that you have added them from search. So that was basically how you can add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.